Good morning. Today is the 5th of March 2020. This is Math 1, and we're going to talk about solving systems. Talitha, you are not here today. But if you text Michael any questions that you have, you can do that. This is a review. So for solving a system, I graph a line, and I look for where they cross. Do this with me. Ready? Put your hands like this. I graph a line, say it. What do? I graph a line, I look for where they cross, or I see where they cross. Everyone says it. Here we go, ready? What do I do? Graph a line, look for where they cross. Like right here, what do? Graph a line, look for where they cross. You guys done? Okay, spit that out. I graph a line, I look for where they cross. That's how I do it.
Yes.
What did we do yesterday in class?
Graph lines.
I graphed lines. Today, we're just graphing 2 lines at a time. In this box, ready? We're going to write something in this box. In this box, we're going to write y equals 3/2 x plus 2. And y equals -1/4 x minus 5. You're writing those 2 equations in that first box.
In the coordinates?
You're writing those 2 equations in that box. So I'm taking these 2 equations from the screen and writing them in that box. Good. In the next box over, draw a coordinate system. So right here, draw a coordinate system. Just one. That box using the ruler, draw a coordinate system. Good. And now, graph the system. Solve it. You have those 2 equations. You've got a coordinate system. So this is not going to be good for us. You see how you line that off? Graph 2 again. Fix it. It wasn't graph it. Graph that system of equations. Oh, Mr. Follows instructions. I know. It's tough. Enter that. Got one of them. Graph the second equation. Let's see where the solution is. Graph those 2 lines. Let's get on the first line. Dots. Sam, can you go up there and graph the first line for me?
Yes, I will.
Thank you, you will. This one seems weird. Down 1/4, down 1/4. Looks good, looks good. Nice. I think, Mark, you just found the solution, didn't you?
Yes.
Good, where's the solution to this thing? Right there? Where is that point? Good, where's the solution?
Down 1/4. This is how you
Yeah? Okay. What's that? Take it up in the opposite direction also. So give those guys a cross. Sam, what's up, man? Let's do the full line. Give me more points, lots of points.
Okay.
You get so far you're good, but you've only given me 2 points. I want lots of points.
Okay.
As many as we can fit on that thing. Good, where's that solution? You've got it. And where is that solution? Where's that solution? Where's that? Where's that point? All right, Sam, let's draw the line.
Okay.
Take it down again. Take it down 3 over 2. 1, 2, that's 2, down 3. Good, 1, 2, put a point there. And let's connect the dots. There we go, connect the dots. Excellent. Good. Nate, come on up and graph the second line. Where are you going to start? Starting at -5, how are you going to move? Down 1 over 4. Cool. Take it in the opposite direction. There it is. It just happened. Good. Where is that solution? Mark, where's the solution?
It is at -5, -4.
I don't think it's at -5.
Or wait, did I do it wrong?
I've got it as -4, -4.
Yes.
The solution's at -4, -4. You just got sloppy with the work. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Your line just drifted. You didn't put points down here. You put 2 points and connected the dots. Okay. -4, -4 is easy because you can't mix it up, right?
Yeah.
Even if you put it in backwards, you'd still get it right. Let's go to the next box. In this box right here, start by writing down x minus 2y equals 4.
Oh, we have to break this one.
And break it up and solve it. Once you've broken it up and solved it, put the next equation, break it up and solve it.
Is it equals 4 or negative?
What do we have up there? It's -4, my error. -4.
It's good.
There we go. Write it down, solve it, write it down, solve it. Do not graph it yet. Don't draw the coordinate system yet. Tell me what those 2 things are. Oh, you got to do the second one though also. 5x plus 5y. Oh, you know what? You're right. It should be 5x plus 5y. The second one. This is a y. So what did you get for your first one? Is that an equal sign or no?
So wait, x is -4, and then -2y equals 4. So for the first one, x the bottom line is -2y equals, or 2y equals 2. That would equal no, yeah, so this is not right. Negative 2.
There's a negative one.
So wait, but isn't the negative terms negative quantity? I'm just doing the first one.
So I should be -4 and 2.
So
The first one is -4 and 2.
2, so -2y equals y.
First one, -4 and 2, that looks good. So what I do is I break it into an x equation. So it's x equals negative.
Too many numbers.
X equals -4 and -2y equals 4. This one's already solved. X equals -4. Y equals 2. 5x equals 25. 5y equals 25. -4 equals 2.
Wait, equals?
Yeah. Tell me that. Negative 4 and 2.
Oh.
Okay, and that's because we left off the negative. The signs on both the numbers. Negative 4 and 2. Negative 4 and 2. Negative 4
And then after this one, maybe?
positive 2.
After you divide by the second.
Okay, so and it's a negative 4. This reason that it's right here, we lost your negative. It's a negative on that. Good, and now you're doing the 5x plus 5y. Negative 4 and 2. You got negative 4 and 2. Negative 4 and 2. The reason is right here there's a negative on it. You left off. That's going to change the signs on both of them. You got ahead of me. Negative 4 and 2, 5 and 5. All right. So we have x equals negative 4, y equals 2, x equals 5, y equals 5. In this box, draw a coordinate system, plot the system, find the solution. So in this one, we're going to draw a coordinate system. Plot the system. So if I split this, that's negative, right there would be good. So x equals negative 4. Right here, I'll divide those out by negative 2. Negative 4 divided by negative 2 is equal to positive 2. Okay. So plot that system. Yes, and that's what we have. Before plotting it, we need help. Okay. Before you connect dots, then we have our over 4.
This one is it 2 equals 5?
This is the first one.
Yeah, that's the
Good.
first
Okay,
one.
it looks good. Okay, so something's wrong here.
Bless you.
All right, so you're doing move the x divided by the y. On this one, it's incorrect.
Is that
And that's because this would be a negative on the x after you moved it, which would make it a negative 1. So if you want to start at 5 and go down 1 or 1, you have to do like that. Okay. And so you're plotting this. So to plot it, you're gonna put a point at negative 4 on the x-axis and positive 2 on the y-axis and connect the dots. Then you're gonna put a point at 5 and 5 and connect the dots. Good. Now where's your system?
Empty 7. Right?
So this one right here, that is negative 4 to the point. X equals negative 4, 1, 2, 4, y equals 2, 1, 2, there's your y.
Y equals
And then we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
I know that which equation was that y equals negative x
connect
plus
it.
5.
Yeah, but he thinks it has to be like instead of going up, you go down.
Still graphic.
Yeah.
Down one.
Solution of the road right
Sorry?
there.
Alright.
And intersect with that.
Right. So this is at x equals negative 4, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and y equals 2, 1, 2. So it's going to go over 4, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4.
And then we will
There's your first line.
that was another good time. You ready? Watch this. So I said that to
Those
me.
are 5 and 5.
Section B2.
So where's your solution? Where is that point? Where is that solution?
So like this.
You gotta actually go. Two four, Maddie.
Yeah.
2-4. You got this 2-5. I have 2-4. Where's yours at? Is it 2-3?
Yeah, 2-3. Yeah,
Oh, 2-3. 2-3.
So that's how you take it out. So it lives here.
Yeah.
That's it.
And then you don't write it. So that's 2 y. And once you do that, 2 y is just y.
And then I have
1 divided by 2 is 0.5.
Yeah. In other words, half. Okay, so
there. That's 2, right there.
But how come you're choking
because it bounces
Yes.
I didn't think it was just going
it always moves.
Okay. First one's at x equals -4. Boom. Y equals 2. I'm going to continue the pattern, Griffin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I do that so that I can get a really good line. Because if I just use those 2 points, it's going to get wobbly on me. Next one's at 5 and 5. Connecting the dots. And it looks like it's happening at 2, 3. And the next slide says, yes, it's at 2, 3. Please turn your piece of paper over. On your piece of paper, in this box, write down the 2 equations for this. Y equals x, y equals 4. In the next box, draw a coordinate system and graph the system. Got that first one going, draws lots of points. Excellent, that first one looks really good. Y equals 0. The first line looks good. Are you doing y equals x? He wants to start at 0 and go up 1 over 1. Start at 0, go up 1 over 1. That looks good. Can you drop the second one? Good.
So what?
Was not first one? Well, the first one, let's do this one. Y equals x. Start at 0, go up 1 over 1. Perfect. Yes. Y equals 4. Y equals for the point of y equals 4.
99.
And then what kind of line?
99 and 20. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, go to 4.
Y equals 4. Put a point at y equals 4 and draw a horizontal line through it. Alright. The first one is y equals x, which means I start at 0 and go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Second one, y equals 4. Mike, how do I do that?
So you're going to place a point at 4.
At 4, right here?
No, on the y-axis.
Right here.
The positive y-axis.
Right there.
No.
Right here.
Yes.
Put a point right there and then draw a vertical line through it,
No,
right?
horizontal
A
line.
horizontal line through it. So where do they cross?
4, comma 4.
4, comma 4. Oh, don't look at that one yet.
I'm looking at it.
Go to this box right here. Go to this box right here. Write down both equations and turn them into 2 mini equations and solve it. Do not graph it until I've checked your work. You can find e of the x divided by the y isn't a good way to do this one. You want to go to Chicago? Perfect. You got those two. Go to the second one. That's good. Beautiful. Got it. Go do the next one. Let's go. I'm gonna move this one. So I have 4 x
Looking at her work, so you don't get it right. Bananas.
y equals 16 divided by negative 12.
Okay, what?
Right here, you move down. I know. I get it. So we're intentionally doing this method today,
Yeah,
And-
yeah.
mini-me's, and you're intentionally doing it a different way.
The
Okay, I understand, and this is the way that's going to work, and you're going to use a way that isn't going to work well. All right.
I have 4, 3, and 1.3.
Should be a negative on that somehow. All right, let's get some people up here to do these two. So I have 4x minus 12y equals 16. Who can walk us through? Yes, you can, Dakota. Yes, come on. Dakota's going to break this into 2 mini equations. I see your little smirk there, Brooke, too. You're smirking. You're smirking. You are. It's a smirk. Okay. Break this up right here. Break this up into 2 mini equations for me. Oh, no. Not yet. You just jumped. No one understands where that came from. Break it up first. And show. You guys sure use the red marker? So she's going to break it into an x equation and a y equation. 4x equals 16. There's the x equation. You want to solve that? So x equals 4. There's the first intercept. Break it into a y equation. Okay, get out of the way. Oh, good. She put the negative on it. Now she's going to solve it for y. And she got negative 1.3 repeating, which we can graph. That's okay. Ganter, you feel like solving the second one for us? Yep. So right here, come up, break it into 2 mini equations, and then solve each of them.
Oh yeah, shiny.
Mike's cheering for you. Just do it underneath the question over there. No, right there. Right there. So what's your first equation? You're writing down 3x equals 12, so x equals... So x... Oh, gotcha. You're going to do it sideways. So x equals 4 and y equals 3. Cool. Paulette, I want you to plot x equals 4, y equals 3.
Talitha's watching now.
Is she watching?
Yeah, she just texted.
Hi, Talitha. Thanks for watching. So plot x equals 4, y equals 3. And you want to do it? Yeah, just kind of draw a line. It's going to be a little bit squiggly, but that's okay. Beautiful. Now, Maddie, can you come up and plot x equals 4, y equals negative 1.3? X equals 4, y equals negative 1.3. Think about that. Cameron, what do you think about that second point? Don't draw the line down. What do you think about that second point, Cameron? Negative 1.3. What does anybody think about that point?
I think that's a good.
No.
No.
Well, what do you think it should be?
I think it should be a little less.
A little less.
Or
Up or
not
down?
so-
Up or down?
On the
Up.
scale.
So what you actually have is closer. If this is 1.5 is right about there, 1.3 we would want to be up a little bit more. You're actually below the halfway mark, or a little bit above the halfway mark.
I was thinking like 1/3.
But so this is 1/3 going down. If this was 1/3, ready? Where would it be? No, that's 2/3. 1 and 1/3 would be right here. 1 and 1/3 would be right there.
Yeah.
Yep, so there it is, right there. Boom. And then where's the solution to this? McMurtry.
It's right at 4.
It's right at 4. 4 what?
4-0.
4-0? Or is it 0-4?
4-0-4. Either one.
Well, it's not either one of it. It's one or the other.
It's
What do you think, Griffin?
It's 4-0 because it's on the x-axis and the x comes first.
Yep, so it's 4, 0. This would be 0, 4. All right. Homework's in Edulastic. Bye-bye, Talitha.
She says hi.
Thank you, Talitha. I say hi back.